In this video, we're going to talk about page backgrounds, watermarks, page color, and page borders. A watermark is typically transparent text or an image. You might want to have a company logo or perhaps mark a document as a draft. Now, page color changes the background color. It can be a picture or a gradient. And mainly it's designed to make your document look better when you're looking at it in Word. You can apply a page border to all the sides of your document. It can be a simple line, or it could be one of Word's built-in artistic effects. The first thing we're going to take a look at is a watermark. Now, to place a watermark on the document I have here, I'm going to click on the Design tab and then go to the Page Background group. Now I'm going to click on Watermark. As you can see, there's several different watermarks you can choose from, and I can just click on one of these and it will place a watermark across my page. If you want to put your own watermark on here, you can also do a custom one. So I'm going to go back to Watermark and then go down to Custom Watermark. Now we have the option to turn it off completely and even use a picture. Now if I go down to Text Watermark, you can see confidential is in the box, but I can change it to one of the other built-in ones. And you can see there's a few more. Or if I want to use my own watermark, I can just type something in here. And I'm also going to make the color a little darker. So I'm going to click OK. And you can see my watermark is now horizontal and it's changed the color. Now let's take a look at page color. Now page color is right next to watermark. So I can click that drop down. And when I point at a color, you'll see there's a preview with our document. Once you've decided on the color, just click on that color. Now, the last type of page background we're going to look at are page borders. So I'm going to click on page borders. When you apply a page border, you want to change your settings here and then adjust where your borders are. If you put your borders first and you change these settings, you'll have to reapply your new settings on the right preview window. Now let's look at the art borders just to see what's there. So you can see these will go all around your document. So if I wanted a particular one, I just select it and you see all the borders apply. Now I'm actually going to change that and change my style. And I'm just going to choose that. And I'm also going to change a color. Now the last thing we're going to do in this dialog is remove the top and bottom border. Now it's pretty intuitive. You just click where you want to remove it, or you click again to toggle it back on. At this point, we're going to click OK. And now I have the borders on the side. Now let's take a look at how this would look like in Print Preview. You can go to File, Print, or I'm just going to do a Control P to go to Print Preview. Now you'll notice that the page color doesn't print out. You typically won't want to actually print it out because that would be a lot of ink. Usually you want to just get that color of paper. Now, if you must print it out, here's how you would have your printer print out the page color. Now we're going to go to Options on the File menu. So we're going to go down to Options. And we're going to click on Display. Now, this option under Printing Options, we can check that box Click OK. And now when we go back to print preview, it will actually print your page color. I hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching.